welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. So I'm kind of doing this a little backwards. Okay, I ordered, and I said this in my blog post. My blog, by the way, if you guys want to check it out, is eileenlittlecrafter.com. Welcome to Little Crafter Show, by the way. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Thank you for joining me today so very much. I'm back to making videos. Yay! All right, let's get to this. All right, so I kind of did this a little backwards. I actually went into my haul because I ordered that first, and I was so excited to share that I finally made a decision into basically moving into a print pressions planner. Some people call it PP Weeks. So I'm just gonna say my PP planner, even though PP sounds funny, but okay, so I got this, and then it came like, I think it was like the next day, but I was gonna film it, and then I was like, no. And then I got itchy in the night, wanting to decorate it. So I just got the clear cover, which is basically it. This is from this particular seller. So as you guys know, that I got two monthly kits, some day dots, and weekly kits, and I'll show you what I did for that. Samara 3 Designs. Sorry if I butchered that. I'm horrible with pronouncing names. And I just put this in the front. I love that. I love the yearly calendar. Haven't did anything here. Haven't did anything here, and that's not good. Okay. For this particular planner right now, what I'm using is a mixture of kits that I got from Etsy, also stickers from another Etsy seller, HL Sticker Creations. This is also fits well in my mini happy planner. And I'm using some happy planner stickers as well. So most of the base is the kit. This is the December kit, and I just put 2020. And a lot of this is I don't think the seller, the seller is not available anymore for this particular. Let me move the string out the way. So yeah, and then I just put everything down below. Everything is from the kit except for this and these stickers here, this particular, not sticker. So yeah, even this little cute, what is that? Oh my goodness. Snow cloud, duh. Anyways. Okay, so I couldn't help myself. I decided to do January, because technically we go back to school in January. It's also my birthday month and my anniversary. Got a lot going on this month. So I put this this month in this notes, Martin Luther King Day, because we also, you know, have day off on that day. All the washi is here. I don't think I need to mark anything else. If I do, I'll just probably maybe I'll use other stickers to mark days, early days off. And this is from Sweet Kawaii Designs. This is her monthly kit. Oh my god, I'm so in love. This is her Valentine's Day kit. It's so stinking cute. I love it. So this is when we get our, she even included these the first of the month, and then this is, you know, when it gets paid, and then this is what is that, when it gets shipped. So, you know, I think that day I'm gonna do a blog post or video. I forgot, I should have marked it down, but I'll figure it out. Wait, that's a blog post. So yes, I'm gonna be doing blog posts. My sister's birthday. Oops, I think I marked, yep, I did it. I love these stickers because they are so easy to put down for me anyways, because I am such a klutz when it comes. I put Valentine's Day sticker in another spot. Yeah, so this is really cute. All right, so let's get into the weeklies. So I can show you really quick what I did for the weeklies. Again, the same seller. This is her weekly kit. All I did was use for the early out, I used this sweet HL stickers. Sorry about that. I actually did a blog post videos on Mondays, appointments. These 2 stickers are from her. That's from her shopping sticker. All of this, oh, except this one. This particular one is from, I didn't have any more half buckets, so I just used I think this was a productivity or like a business happy planner sticker book. So yeah, and vitamins. So, and I also managed to do next week. I know I didn't save anything. This one is her buffalo check kit, her weekly kit. And then this one is her purple sweater kit, weekly kit. And if you guys want to see more of that, how it actually came together, there's another video out. I have another video like showing you guys what that is. So yeah, so since I just started out, so this is what I use for my shopping, vitamins and stuff like that, medication. Even though I didn't need this, but I decided to use it anyways because I used up all my boxes. And yeah, so, and then a lot of this is from the Happy Planner. So Happy Planner, all of this. HL Secret Designs. So yeah, so that is that. I'm going to wait for my other kit, and I definitely will show the kit and also actually do a plan with me video. Yay! So did I open it up? Okay, so it also comes with a pocket back here. So that's, and then it has, if you guys are interested, it also has writing, which this came with Sweet Kawaii Designs. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Sweet Kawaii Designs. Originally I put it in the front, and then I decided that, you know what, I would like to do like a little mini journaling kind of memory keeping stuff. So I need something for January. I don't know if I'll make it or I'll just figure something out. But when I do, I'll give you guys an update. I'm not going to do anything for December. I'm just going to do January, February. I love this. I moved the sticker like 3 times and it has not messed up. So I'm so super excited about that. So I'll do a little journaling, and then this is kind of what it looks like in the back. So if you guys want to add more like stickers and stuff like that, like so cool. I've seen people use this and make their own little boxes so that they can continue to use it like that, which is really cool. So yeah, so I mean, I'm not getting rid of my Happy Planner. I know that everyone is like, oh, are you getting rid of your Happy Planner? You're not gonna be. I'm just not in love with it. I love it. I enjoy working with Happy Planner materials, but I'm not like in love with it right now. I'm loving this one, and I don't know if I'll continue to use it, but so this is my new 2020 planner, well, 2019 to 2020 planner for now. So yeah, so that's that video. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I will try and list the sellers that I've used so far. I've not been asked to. I just wanted to do it because I think these kits and stickers are really amazing and fun to work with. And yeah, so if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, or you can always email me your comments or questions. My email address is eileen@eileenlittlecrafter.com. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.